Oliver, I mean, luckily it's mechanically isolated because of the pop-up roller, but yeah, if you take a big enough hit, I bet you can pull that fully out, and then the roller will, if it falls out, the roller is probably just gonna like dance around, hanging on by the belt.
Yeah.
It's gonna be ugly, and it'll probably jam up.
And don't ruin that part.
Are you flipping around? Oh, we're going in. Got it. Can I take? Oh, where's the board? Oh, there it is. Thank you.
Like, boys, thanks, Bill. When are your next match? Here, let me get the.
We're just splitting the field left, right with Bread. Bread's taking the right, we're taking the left. 199 is going to be doing the trench funnels on both sides. They're gonna get into the midfield after transition or during transition on Bread's side, not ours. We just need to own the left side for the big bite for transition.
In transition, am I allowed to go around the bumps?
No. You can't go onto their side. So you got to come back out the way. I mean, you just got to take the trench out and then come back over the bump.
Middle. Take middle by
the last match, you were doing doing too many volleys like right up against the hub.
Oh yeah, we did.
Give yourself another 2 or 3 feet from the hub in this match. And mostly that just comes down to coming over the bump, not glued to the hub. Like if you come over the bump centered and then hit the auto score, it should be okay.
What is this? Yeah,
so we're mic'd up in this match, which should be fun. I figure we do a huddle. Yeah, exactly. We'll do a huddle over here first. Let me get 199 over.
Where the skin's coming off.
Yeah.
199. Do you guys mind doing a quick huddle over here? We'll just review the strat.
Our drive coach is gone, but I'm driving.
All right, that should be okay. All right, how we feeling? You guys locked in, ready to roll? Come on in, guys. All right, real quick, just wanted to review things top to bottom, auto to endgame, make sure we're on the same page. If there's any questions or concerns, now's the time for it, all right? Starting in auto, we have 1678 lining up left trench, 199 lining up centered on the hub, and then Bread lined up on the right trench, right? Both of us are running our double sweeps in auto. 199 shooting their preload and not moving, correct? Perfect. Coming out of auto into teleop, 199 is gonna take the bump over the right to leave us on the left side. Our goal in the transition is to make one quick cycle out to the middle, get a big bite of ball, come back, and shoot within the transition. So if you see us coming, let us take the lane so that we can get back in time, because it's a real tight window to get another hopper off after transition, okay, or in transition. The main flow for teleop is going to be Bread on the right, 1678 on the left, and then 199 taking both trench lanes and pushing. The thing for 199 to watch out for is watch out for us coming out of the trench. Both us and Bread like to cycle out of the trench and then back in over the bump. So you want to make sure that your trench runs are not lining up when we're coming back out of the trench. So if you see us coming out of the trench, just back up again and reset rather than continue to push through and let us come out of that trench lane. So that goes both on the right and the left side. Other than that, I think that's just going to be the flow for the whole match, right? When 199, when you see us or Bread going for a pile of balls, just yield, let us take that pile, and then keep going with the bulldozing strategy. And then we're doing that all the way to the end game. 1678 will own the left corner all the way through the tower. But Bread, you guys are clear to take the right wall all the way back to the corner, but leave the under the tower for us to do our tower sweeps.
So you want how about this section?
Either way, I'm not. But if you see us coming through the tower on a tower sweep, just make sure you back out towards the corner. I just don't want to get jammed up in the tower. Any other questions, guys? Y'all excited? Oh yeah, go.
Balls generally scattered here. Is that something?
Yeah, totally. No, yeah. Whatever you guys feel is best as far as neutral zone versus alliance zone. Play your game on the right side of the field. I was just saying, leave that backside with the tower for us. Yeah. Anything else? guys excited? All right, let's have fun this match, all right, guys?
Hey, 199. Is it true you guys need an Xbox controller for the match?
We got one.
You got one? Okay, cool.
You guys gave it to us.
I don't know. I was just told.
Yeah.
Do you have it right now?
So, Oliver, remember, nice and smooth this match, all right? With the intake being on the rocks,
I got
we
you
can't
guys.
push it. We just have to play a clean, smooth match to come out of this with 5 RP. If we push it, that's how we don't get 5. Does that make sense?
You guys wanna
You
use this
kill
for
the
the match?
intake on the first cycle,
Yeah, sure.
that's how we don't get 5.
Yeah.
So
Do
we
you have
just
a
got to
cable?
play
Or
it
should I
nice
get a
and
cable?
smooth, no big hits into walls, the hub, all that sort of stuff.
They said it's fine if we come in the end for a volley. Is that still fine
Into the alliance zone,
in the end game? Like,
you have to come over the bump.
yeah. We'll just come over and like be right next to the hub.
Okay, like right in front of the hub?
Yeah.
Yeah, just make sure you pick your timing such that us or Bread, preferably you go over the right bump if you can.
Yes, okay.
And then just make sure it doesn't line up with Bread going back into the neutral zone.
Yes.
Okay, as long as you're not crisscrossing
We'll
that
do
way.
that only in the end.
Perfect,
Because
perfect.
We're just gonna be like picking up some balls while
Yeah.
and we're just gonna probably have a full
No,
hub.
that makes a lot of sense because the bulldozing in the last 10 seconds doesn't give us anything anyway. So yeah, let's
I'm
go
gonna
for
hold
that.
something?
That sounds good.
What?
Dude, monkeys are putting up balls right now, man.
Yeah, it looks plugged in. Here, let's turn this. This is not turning on.
50?
You guys need 2 joysticks, right? Or 1? Call the pit, get our other spare.
Oh, it's all automatic?
Spare controller.
That's
Get it.
crazy. Hey, that looked pretty good.
Yeah, all good, all good. Okay.
Monkeys are turning it
I'm
on,
gonna unplug
man.
this end here. Why don't you
That was
see if the
impressive.
USB port's the problem? Let's play
They
it on
basically
this side.
soloed that 260, right?
Yeah.
We're going.
Wow.
I'm gonna grab your laptop so we can let the robot go.
Excuse us, guys. Oh, field's green. No, you're good. Is that you guys? You guys were lights out that match. Really nice match, guys. You guys okay? Here, let me get these balls out of the way. Yeah, you got it? Did the robot die on the bump, or did you just get stuck? Oh, got it. All right, well, good luck, guys.
Okay, do you want someone to run back to your pit real quick, grab the other one?
Make sure you guys turn it on once it's close.
Yeah, we have time. Yeah.
Nice.
Here. Let's try this. We have this adapter.
We are, yes.
Plug into
Oh,
USB-C.
he grabbed him there.
Plug it on that side. Your C's on that side, I think. Is it on that side or is it here? It's that. My bad. Yeah. Okay. Why don't you try this in there? See if this works. Does this have your normal like elastic layout and stuff though?
Not really, but it's okay.
Okay. We have time to grab your other station if you need to.
Yeah.
All right, got it. Yeah, we can wait. No problem.
You got it, Rohan? Nice job. Can we get, hey, Rick, it's still pretty lopsided towards this side. Like the balls end there on the line and they go like another 2 feet on this side.
Hey, can one of y'all keep a thumb down until?
I'm asking them to level out the stack. It's pretty heavy on the right.
Oh yeah. Okay. Mike, 199 having driver station issues. The backup is on the way. The backup station.
The what?
The backup station. The station is.
Backup station
Right.
is game.
Oh, okay. All right, Oliver, what are we gonna do this match?
Have fun.
Ani, what are we gonna do this
Have
match?
fun.
What are we gonna do?
Have fun.
All right, let's have fun, all right? You guys ready to have a good match? Let's have a good time out there. Nice job on the quick fix. The backup driver station's awesome.
I need to get over here.
So Oliver, it's
right here.
all about a left side chomp after auto, right? I think the biggest thing you might do is hit Bread when they're also doing the same thing. So you just gotta play nice. Is this your controller?
Yeah, he's here.
All right.
Yeah, they're going. These guys are going to go.
There's not much you can do with that. Well, actually, the same thing goes there. If you go up and you let the robot crest and come back down, you're far less likely to jam on a ball than if you yeet it, right? Because yeeting it means you'll come down flat, pancake the fuel on the other side. What we found is if you take it at a medium speed and let the robot crest, you're more likely to plow the balls out of your way when you go on the other side. So I think the name of the game is just take a little bit slower than you might normally, right? Just to not get beached on anything. And remember, you're going around the right side bump after auto, not the left side bump.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Before we get to our next segment, we'd like to thank the following. Kettering University's cutting-edge programs and their experiential co-op model seamlessly blend the professional and academic worlds, offering hands-on, future-focused learning that empowers students to pursue new ideas and inspires other institutions to follow their lead. Don't just be ahead of the curve, create the curve. Get more information at kettering.edu/first.
2, 1, go. And they're off. Looks like 199. Sitting up. Possession right in front of the hall. Michael Brett and 13
Nice.
Okay, look at the right side. Look at the right side.
Yeah, there's a big chunk on the right side. You got it, you got it.
Hey, tuck that
Take
hood.
it quick, there's quite a bit of fuel in the middle. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, go back to the same spot. The big pile. Go back to the same spot. Right side.
Same spot. Yeah, clear their hub. Nice, nicely done. You can do a lob if you like. Nice. And
center,
right
behind
side, there's
that
quite a
hub.
few. Oh no, they got that.
Center,
Take
behind that hub.
take
Come
the
close,
hub,
come
and then
close.
take the near hub next. Come back for our hub. Our hub. Take our hub. Yeah, clean that whole thing out. Beautifully done. 8, 7, 6. Come over to the left side to leave room for them.
Big right
3,
corner. Big right
2,
corner.
1. Shoot, shoot, shoot. You got this.
It's a big right corner.
No, that's theirs. That's theirs. Take left wall sweep. Nicely done. Come on back, baby. Come on back. Come on back. Yep. And then do a left wall sweep after this.
behind
You
199
have 8
and
seconds to do a short cycle. Left wall sweep. 5, 4. That's it. 3, 2, 1. All right, middle of the field again.
Left wall behind 199. Left wall behind 199.
Yeah. Left wall. Yeah, do a wall sweep there. You can do a lob if you like. Up to you. You have 17 seconds left. Half lob is
Hey,
good.
blue hub, blue hub.
Blue hub. There you go. Nice. And then, yep. Oh, you got to zoom around him. Zoom around. There you go. Nice. And then come on back. You got 6 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're shooting. You're shooting.
Hey,
You're
Depot.
shooting. Yeah. Do a wall. Oh, there you go. Yeah. You're good. You're good. There you go. Yep. Nicely done. All right, there you go. Take another volley, and this.
Hey, left wall.
Yeah, you can sweep. You can sweep.
Left
Get
wall.
under the tower. Get under the tower. Nice. Yep. And then go into the right trench. Yeah, get that whole wall.
Hey, blue hub, blue hub,
Blue hub.
Hey, all along the left
You
side
got
there.
20 seconds left. Yeah. Take that full hopper back. Come on back, Oliver. You're stuffed. Come on back.
Hey, left wall, AZ.
AZ, do a wall sweep, AZ. AZ, you have 10 seconds left after this. Go. AZ wall sweep. There you go. 9, take your time. You got more time to intake. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Let's go. That's what's up, you guys. Oh my gosh, awesome. Hey, well done. Hey, what happened to the robot? You guys okay?
Battery died.
Oh, because all the lights are off. I see. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. Hey, well, at least it was in a spot where it wasn't too bad for the flow. So hey, it's all good, guys. All good. If you guys need anything, let us know, all right? If there's anything you need from service or anything, let us know, all right? Awesome.
Good stuff.
We might have should have.
Sorry about that.
Thank you.
He hasn't really practiced the half volleys, and so
find the
sometimes
controller?
1 or 2 comes out.
Wait.
My bad.
Turn it on. Yeah! Woo! No pen. Clean. Clean. Woo! Let's go. We didn't climb.
Thank you.
Did we get a climb up? Oh, we did. We did get up. Never mind.
Ooh, dude, the pop-up bar is broken too. The carbon fiber pop-up bar is done. Dude, it snapped right in half in that match.
Thank you. Hey, good luck with your match, guys.
Well, even more reason to do intake swap, right?
Can you move the flag, please?
All right.
Thank you.
Nice job, guys. Hey, guys. Awesome match. That was so much fun. Oh, great job.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. Kettering University's cutting-edge programs in their experiential co-op model seamlessly blend the professional and academic worlds, offering hands-on, feature-focused learning that empowers students to pursue new ideas and inspires other institutions to follow their lead. Don't just be ahead of the curve, create the curve. Get more information at kettering.edu/first.